Dear students, welcome to the first video. This is about the exams. As you see, we are going to revise two modules. The first one is study skills, the second is literature genres, and this is just a quick video about the main tips and tricks that you should follow or you should have when you are revising literature genres or study skills. Well, because of the pandemics, we haven't had enough practice, but it's very important when it comes to study skills, to practice the identification of the main features and aspects of the work citation. This is one thing. Another thing is you should be familiar with all the definitions or the key terms that I have mentioned before, that I have mentioned in the last lecture, or in the glossary of terms. You should be familiar with. You are not going to memorize them word by word, but all what you need to do is you should be familiar with. Another thing about literature genres is you should understand the main aspects of dark romanticism, and you should be able to identify them in the short story in case you have quotes from the short story. Yeah, this is very important. What else?
It is also very important to be able to understand and at the same time to identify the aspects of literary realism in the selected short story Floating Down the River on the Ohio by William Dean Howells, and this is very important. So as you see here, this is a short story, so it's very important to identify the aspects of reporting and of paying attention to a detailed description, which it looks like a camera, and all these things. So more importantly, so it's very important to identify the aspects of romanticism and the realism in the selected short stories, and that's why you need to pick quotes and understand them very well as kind of examples, because this is how we can demonstrate our understanding of a particular aspect, is by showing or giving or by being able to give examples whenever a teacher would ask you to do so. I would like to finish with quick tips about how to revise for exams, even if it's a bit late, but my focus goes for literature genres and study skills. So it's very important to start early your revision. Focus on the most important things. You should have a plan, and you should have your method, your own method, and not necessarily you should focus only on methods and revision. You should have a diet, healthy food. You should exercise and try to eliminate stress and get a good night's sleep. This is just to have a high level of concentration. And good luck.